Should an applicant bring up their desire to work in a particular field of law if they have no prior work experience within that field? So let's say you want to do environmental law, but have no background in environmentalism. Totally fine. If you have a specific field that you want to study, you can certainly mention it. You don't need to have evidence for why you want to do it, or prior experience in that area to support that, although it's nice if you have it. But law schools do understand that your reasons for going to law school may change. You might start off in environmental law and then end up working for the big corporations in big law afterwards. It's a common path, not the one that we would hope for you, but it does happen, of course, and it's understandable. So you can mention it, but don't feel obligated to do so because things do change over time. You might find that you take an environmental law class and you don't like it at all. You might like the idea of it, but the practice might not be nearly as interesting to you. But instead, you might find tax law riveting and you want to do that instead. Totally fine. So don't feel obligated to do it. But if you do want to do that, I would say the way you might support that is going on the law school's website and mention to them that you're very interested in studying under X professor who teaches Y class, and you've sat in on that class when you visited the law school, or you've emailed with that professor. You don't have to have those things, but they're nice to have that show that you have shown a demonstrated interest in that law school specifically, that you've gone the extra mile. It's a nice thing to do if you can. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.